What's up, Rustaceans? In today's video, we're continuing our series on idiomatic Rust by going over how to avoid allocations using the take function. But before we get to that, if you haven't already, make sure to get your free Rust cheat sheet by heading over to letsgetrusty.com/cheat sheet. With that said, let's get rusty. In this example, we have a user enum with three variants: reader, writer, and admin. Each variant contains a name field with the type string. Our goal is to implement the function promote, which takes a mutable reference to user and then promotes that user. For example, a reader should be promoted to a writer to an admin, and if an admin is passed in, nothing should be done. Let's go ahead and implement promote. First, we bring all the user variants into scope, and then we match against user. If the passed-in user is a reader, we return a writer. If it's a writer, we return an admin, and if it's an admin, we return early from this function altogether. The returned variant from this match expression will replace the passed-in user. One thing you may notice is that we're cloning name. That's because we get a mutable reference to user, so we can't take ownership of name. This results in a new heap allocation. We could, however, avoid this heap allocation by using the take function. First, let's import the mem module. Then, instead of cloning name, we can call the take function and pass in name. Take will swap out name for a default value and return the original value. The default value for the string type is an empty string, which does not require an allocation. Also, take returns an own type, in this case an owned string, which is why we can send name to the return value. The promote function is now complete and we avoided an extra allocation. Let's use this function in main. First, we'll create a new reader. And then we'll call promote twice. Let's run our program. As we can see, our function is working. Reader was promoted to writer and writer to admin. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to let me know by leaving a comment and hitting the like button. Lastly, and most importantly, get your free Rust cheat sheet by heading over to letsgetrusty.com/cheat sheet. With that said, I'll see you in the next one.